Good morning, you guys. I've got some updates. We got 4-link installed. We have coilovers and our brackets installed. Our notch is fully welded out. Let's see what else. Drive shaft has been shortened, and we got some other little projects, a little ramp for my buddy on the cheap. And let's see. We got Anthony was working on the bedsides today. He had a little car trouble, so he's not going to be in. But we got outsides pretty much welded up. We're going to work on the insides. He's got all his stuff out. And yeah, once we get done welding those up, we'll go ahead and blend them out. Those will be done. We'll get the trim on them, get the bed put back together. But yeah, guys, this thing is starting to come alive. I know Zack's excited. I got tires and wheels getting mounted and balanced today. So yeah, guys, a lot of big progress. So then we can go ahead and convert, once we get all this done, we can go ahead and convert the rears to disc, put the new disc and spindles up front, get the coilovers mounted on those, get rid of those. These are my new rollers, guys. So I have some 5 lugs sitting around the shop for any vehicles that got flats, anything like that. Let me show you a little something there. Nice little pretty welds. Got some sexies. You know how we do it, guys. Getting her done. So should have a lot of progress the rest of this week. We can also go ahead and start disassembling the rear. Get all these brackets painted and get the rear end painted so that way we don't get any more rust. And yeah, guys, it's a whole lot of what's going on here. So stay tuned.